Have you ever wondered who actually runs India on ground? Politicians make promises, but it's the civil servants who turns those promises into reality. Today, we come together to celebrate and reflect the dedication and hard work of those who serves India. Civil servants are the forefront of governance, policy making and implementation, and public administration.
It was on this day in 1947, the Iron Man of India, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, referred the civil servants as a steel frame of India. They are the executors of the policies of the government and are also the pillars on which the wheel of governance turns the policies and programs for the country.
For more value addition in civil services, Government of India launched national program for capacity building in September 2020 called Mission Karm Yogi. It turned out to be a game changer for shaping future ready civil servants with the right attitude, skills and knowledge aligned to the vision of New India.
On this occasion, we pay gratitude to the prominent civil servants of India who proved themselves in other sectors too. हम बात कर रहे हैं उन सिविल सर्वेंट्स की जिन्होंने एक सक्सेसफुल पॉलिटिकल करियर बनाया, लाइक डॉक्टर S.C. शंकर, हु इज अ प्रेजेंट फॉरेन मिनिस्टर एंड अ वुमेन लोकसभा स्पीकर मीरा कुमारी. हम बात कर रहे हैं उन सिविल सर्वेंट्स की जिन्होंने फ्रीडम स्ट्रगल पे अपना योगदान दिया, like Satyendranath Tagore and Subhash Chandra Bose. Satyendranath Tagore was also the first civil servant of India. हम बात कर रहे हैं उन सिविल सर्वेंट्स की जिन्होंने करप्शन और टेररिज्म पर प्रहार किया, like KPS Gill and Vinod Roy. The leadership vision and commitment of civil servants transformed India into the fastest growing economy and a destination for opportunity and investment.
India's credible achievements in sectors like artificial engineering, defense manufacturing, space technology, and quantum computing are also the contribution from civil services mindset. Let's take a moment to express our gratitude to every individual in civil services who continue to serve the people of India with utmost sincerity and dedication. Thank you.